All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So possibly. Possibly, yeah. Something might happen indeed. He might possibly be here. They possibly will know the answer. She possibly will come with us. She possibly will come with us. They could possibly know the answer. Yes, it's true. But they could also possibly not know what I am doing. How cool is that? We possibly saw it recently. Yes. We could possibly see the city from this view. Yeah, from this view here. Yeah, from the view. Yeah, maybe like just there in the distance. You can possibly see it on a clear day. Clear day, yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so she is possibly nearby. They are possibly ready for the party. Maybe. It might be the case. Maybe, we'll see. I think possibly. I think he possibly might know soon. Yeah. He might possibly be there too. It depends on things. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so possibly something might happen. There's a chance. 50-50, 90%, 1%. It might happen. Possibly not. Possibly then. Possibly tomorrow. Possibly next week. I will arrive possibly by tomorrow. Depends on things. Yeah. They should possibly be here now. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use possibly in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.